A little wheel of creamy camembert cheese baked and topped with juicy oven-roasted red grapes. Quick, easy, cheesy. It's our hot mess of baked camembert with roasted grapes. You asked for a quick and easy snack idea, I'm ready to deliver. Let me just say, this isn't going to be one of those fiddly-widdly pick-worthy moments. Instead, it's all about presenting a very delicious snack idea you're going to make again and again. Watch. First, you're going to think about how you want to enjoy your melted cheese. Are you going to be baking a little baguette? Maybe it's just assorted crackers. Oh, and another thing, don't forget to pick up a good bottle of white wine. Support local, but also have a backup at the ready. Wine, cheese, fruit, always go well together. Let's continue. We're going to start by roasting the grapes. Let's preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Give them a rinse under cool water, then transfer to a bowl. Add about 1 tablespoon of a fresh herb. Today I'm using fresh thyme, but rosemary, fresh sage, or even parsley will work too. Let's drizzle with extra virgin olive oil, then do a sprinkle of kosher salt and black pepper. We're gonna toss to combine, then spill the grapes onto a parchment-lined baking tray. Transfer the grapes to the oven. We're gonna roast them for 10 minutes. So the grapes have been in the oven now for 10 minutes. Guess what? Time to bake the camembert. We can lift the cheese out of its container, unwrap it. It is so beautiful. We're gonna score the top with a cross hatch pattern, then place the wheel into a small oven-safe baking dish or a miniature skillet such as this. Onto the top, we're adding a handful of chopped pecans. Up here we call them pecans. We're gonna drizzle with honey about a tablespoon's worth. I also like to add some cracked black pepper, great flavor combo. Transfer the cheese to the oven. We're gonna bake for 10 minutes. And just like that, we're at the 20-minute mark. The camembert, it'll melt out and you're gonna have a bubbly dish of creamy cheese. Now we bring the grapes out. I like to transfer them into a bowl. It makes spooning them onto the camembert way more exciting. Notice how casual this is. We're gonna add a few more sprinkles of freshly chopped herbs and we are ready to enjoy. So basically, it's a hot mess of deliciousness. Good news, full recipe is up at weekend@thecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. Look for this video on our dedicated YouTube channel. You can subscribe to it as well. Don't forget, drop us comments, give us a thumbs up if you like this video. And then when an appetizer is this appetizing, take a picture of it. Post it on your favorite socials using hashtag weekend@thecottage on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. Watch this. I like adding some to that freshly baked baguette. Look at the pecans, look at the melted cheese, and you can add a grape or two to the top and then some more fresh herbs. Quick, easy, cheesy baked camembert with roasted grapes. Oh, fair warning, it'll disappear pretty quick. Enjoy. Cheese in this little grape. Oh! Where's the wine? Give me some wine.